Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Queen's order. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all 3 pair that this particular sister sent me as a repair. These are the designs that I didn't create. They was created already. I just put my little Unity's jazziness to them. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I usually don't like to do a lot of these China type earrings, but I did them for her because she support me a lot. So this was the first pair that I did. When I received them, they was dry. I should have had a before picture, but I don't have none. I didn't take a before picture. I made this a little darker because I think it was silver. I just put the silver here, put a little silver glitter here, and just jazzed them up for her. And then I put clip-ons, and then this is the back. And right here I put some little hair, like some little hair swirls up in there, indentation. So this is a pair, but like I say, I usually don't like to do these China cuts. I know this is a China cut, but I did it for her. She been supporting me for a long time. This is another pair that she just wanted some clip-ons on them. Peace sign. And then this was a pair that I didn't do. When she sent them to me, like I said, I should have took a before and after. It was dry. They wasn't gloss. This color, but it was like a darker bronze looking color. The size wasn't painted neatly. So if you look, I painted the size neatly. The back jazzed up for her. This is like the repair cycle. I should have took it before so y'all can see. And then when I got them, it was like little silver dots. So what I did, I added the silver dots. I painted over the ones that was there, and then I added the silver dots, and I also added some little yellow dots in there too, if y'all can see that. So they came out dope. And I don't sign the back of these when I jazz them up when they not my original work, even though they were my work now, but I just don't sign the back of the ones that she got from somebody else. I just repaired them. And then right here, I put the clip-ons on there. So those are the 3 that was repaired. The next pair that she got was some swirl print earrings. These are one of my hot sellers. I've been making them for a while. So that's the back of them. So she got those. And the next one she got Unity Sunflowers. Y'all know I love making these Unity Sunflower earrings. Here's the back. Like I say, I always do every back a little different when it comes to a design. So all these are going to Alabama. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for viewing this Queen's order. Now, if you want the link to me doing repairs, I put the link in the description box. Like if you have some earrings that you done had for a while, you done bought from me, you done bought from somebody else, and you want them just a little jazz up, new hooks, a little gloss, little, you know, just a little jazzy. Even with this one, I made the lips look a little better because they had a little orange paint like right there, but I brought it out a little. Just jazz them up a little. Just put my little thizzle, nizzle, nizzle to them. All right, y'all. So thumbs this video up. Leave a beautiful comment. Don't forget to pick up litter in your neighborhood. Salam, salam.